This week, Congress passed legislation to end the government shutdown and fund the government. Buried in that legislation, however, were changes to federal hemp laws that would effectively ban most hemp products on the market. The bill takes aim at certain hemp-derived cannabinoids like delta-8 THC, THCA, and other cannabinoids that are known for creating an intoxicating effect. The ban would apply to vapes, flour, pre-rolls, edibles, creams, oils, and any other kind of hemp product that contains these kind of cannabinoids. Businesses have 1 year to comply before the law goes into effect. Supporters of the ban argue that this just closes a loophole from the 2018 Federal Farm Bill, which legalized hemp and, in their eyes, unintentionally legalized a broad range of intoxicating hemp products containing THC and other substances. Opponents of the ban, including the hemp industry, argue that this is going to gut a multi-billion-dollar industry, lead to tremendous job losses and economic losses, and that it's going to deprive consumers of meaningful alternatives to alcohol and big pharma. Let's talk about what this bill does and how it would effectively ban most products. It does three big things. First, the bill closes what's known as the THCA loophole. Under the current law, hemp products are legal as long as they contain 0.3% or less of delta-9 THC, which is the cannabinoid most commonly associated with getting people high. THCA is a separate compound that is similar to delta-9 THC and in fact turns into delta-9 THC when it's exposed to heat or stored over time. So, what you have are several THCA products out there that have under 0.3% delta-9 THC, but very high amounts of THCA. This ban would apply to those products. The new law is going to change the definition of THC under the legal limit to effectively include THCA as well as delta-9 THC. So going forward, products not only have to have less than 0.3% delta-9, but also THCA. This would effectively ban all THCA products currently on the market. 2. This ban would exclude from the definition of hemp any hemp-derived cannabinoids that are not naturally occurring in the plant or that have been manufactured or synthesized outside of the plant. Now, what this is really taking aim at is delta-8 THC, THCP, HHC, and other cannabinoids that are extracted from CBD that is extracted from hemp, because those cannabinoids can only be manufactured through chemical conversions that usually take place in a lab. This part of the new law is basically saying if it's made in a lab, it's illegal. Third, just to make sure there are no intoxicating products left on the market, this bill would impose a hard milligram cap of 0.4 milligrams of THC per product or any other cannabinoid that creates a similar effect. Now, it's going to be up to the government to determine what those cannabinoids exactly are. It should go without saying that this is an absurdly low THC milligram threshold, and that in effect it's going to ban all hemp-derived THC products currently on the market. But it might also ban some non-intoxicating products, such as full-spectrum CBD that includes naturally occurring amounts of THC in the product, even if it's not intoxicating. Taken together, these three changes to federal hemp laws will effectively ban most products on the market and change the industry as we know it. Hemp businesses have 1 year to learn the law, comply with it, and challenge it in court. We anticipate seeing several legal challenges to this bill. It could be everything from the unconstitutionally vague definitions to arbitrary administrative actions. The Church law firm has fought for hemp businesses and individuals in the industry for several years. We've obtained injunctions against overreaching government officials, we've gotten folks' property back that was wrongfully seized, and we've gotten charges dismissed that were wrongfully brought. We will keep our eye on any development regarding the federal hemp laws and this new ban, and we will let you know as soon as we find out whether something is changing.